Buckle up as we dive into the 3 worst and 4 best Mercedes cars to drive forever. You have clicked for the straight talk on which Mercedes will last a lifetime and which will leave you stranded. Stick around, because I have got the hard data to save you major headaches and cash. Worst 3, Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 C117. Now, let us kick off with the first of our worst picks, the Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, chassis code C117, dubbed the Cheap Charmer. You might be tempted by this sleek sedan with its affordable entry into the Mercedes world, starting production in 2014 and running through 2019 in this C117 generation. But hold your horses, because this charmer has got a dark side that can hit you hard in the wallet. Powered by a 2.0-liter inline-4 turbo engine, putting out about 208 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, it sounds promising for a daily driver. Yet reliability-wise, it is a gamble, often not lasting past 80,000 to 120,000 miles without serious issues. Consumer Reports slammed the early 2014 models as the lowest-rated entry luxury car, and for good reason. You will hear rattles and squeaks in the cabin like it is haunted, and the electronics? They malfunction more than a cheap gadget. Think frozen screens, glitchy systems, and a ride so harsh you will feel every pothole in your bones. Worse, there were recalls for fuel system leaks and airbag sensor faults. Stuff you do not want failing when you are cruising down the highway. Repairs are not cheap either, and that affordable price tag turns into a money pit fast. Now, if you are stuck with one, keep a close eye on those electronics and check for any fuel smells. Regular maintenance is a must. Do not skip oil changes or software updates, or you are asking for trouble. This car was meant to lure younger buyers into the Mercedes badge, but it often left them with buyer's remorse. Many owners found themselves at the dealership more than on the road, burning through cash for fixes. It is a shame because the styling turns heads, but beneath that pretty face, it is a heartbreaker. Speaking of heartbreakers, have you ever seen a car that looks like $1 million but costs just as much to keep running? Up next is a Mercedes that is all show and no go with repair bills that will make your jaw drop. Worst 2, Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 C219. Alright, let us roll into our second worst pick, the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, chassis code C219, from 2007 to 2011, which I have nicknamed the Stylish Sorrow. You cannot deny this 4-door coupe turns heads with its stunning lines, powered by a 5.5-liter V8 engine cranking out 382 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. It is a beast on paper, promising luxury and performance for your daily drive or weekend getaway. But here is the rub. This beauty is a beast to own, often not making it past 80,000 to 120,000 miles without major grief. The M273 V8 under the hood comes with a laundry list of woes that will hit you where it hurts. Camshaft adjuster problems, leaky gaskets, and oil cooler seal failures are just the start, costing hundreds if not thousands to fix. Then there is the Airmatic suspension, a fancy feature that glides when it works, but fails hard with repair bills of $2,000 to $4,000. Imagine pulling up looking like $1 million only to have your car sag like it has given up on life. You have got to watch for that suspension sag and any oil seeps around the engine. Early signs of big trouble. Maintenance is key if you are stuck with one. Keep up with suspension checks and engine seal inspections, or you are in for a world of pain. Do not let the sleek design fool you. This car's ownership experience is pure sorrow for many. Mechanics say they have seen owners shell out more in repairs than the car is worth after just a few years. It is a notorious burden, often called a style icon with flagship-level repair costs that do not match the luxury promise. Now, if you think this stylish ride has got issues, wait till you hear about a Mercedes that promises sporty fun, but delivers a knockout punch to your bank account. Hang tight, because next up is a car that will charm you into thinking it is a deal, only to blow up your budget faster than you can say turbo. Worst 1, Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor W203. Here we are at the top of our worst list, the Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor, chassis code W203, built from 2003 to 2005, and I am calling it the compressor catastrophe. You might spot one of these compact sedans and think, hey, a sporty Mercedes for a steal. With its 1.8-liter supercharged inline-4, about 189 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. It has got a zippy vibe aimed at younger drivers or folks wanting an affordable entry into the Mercedes family. But let me tell you, this car is a disaster waiting to happen, often not lasting past 80,000 to 120,000 miles without major headaches. The supercharger, the heart of its compressor name, is a notorious failure point, breaking down and costing a fortune to fix. Add to that timing chain failures that can grenade your engine if ignored, and you have got a recipe for regret. Electrical problems are rampant too. Think random glitches and warning lights that will not quit, driving you nuts. And do not get me started on the interior. Buttons fade, seats crack way too early for a luxury badge, making it feel cheap. You have got to watch for supercharger whines or timing chain rattles. Those are your red flags to run, not walk, away. If you are stuck owning one, keep on top of supercharger health and timing chain checks, and pray the electronics hold up. Regular maintenance might delay the inevitable, but it is like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. This car was pitched as a budget-friendly, sporty Benz, but it is notorious for premium maintenance costs with little return. There are stories of owners dumping thousands into repairs, only to trade it in for pennies, because no one wants the hassle. It is a catastrophe in every sense, charming you with the three-pointed star, then hitting you with bills that will make your head spin. Now, let us shift gears, because we are done with the duds and ready to roll into the Mercedes models you can trust to go the distance. You deserve a car that will stick with you for the long haul. Let us dive into the 4 best Mercedes to drive forever, starting with a sleeper coupe that proves Mercedes can build a ride that is both stylish and tough as nails. Best 4. Mercedes-Benz CLK W209. Let us kick off our best list with the Mercedes-Benz CLK. Chassis code W209, built from 2002 to 2009, and I have nicknamed it the Coupe Crusader. You are looking at a stylish coupe with C-Class and E-Class roots, packing engines like the 3.2-liter V6 or 5.0-liter V8, delivering roughly 215 to 302 horsepower and 229 to 339 pound-feet, with the CLK 55 AMG turning it up to around 362 horsepower and 376 pound-feet. It is a sleeper when it comes to dependability, often cruising past 200,000 miles with the right care. This beauty was built before Mercedes went tech crazy, meaning simpler systems and proven hardware that just keep going. Whether you are rolling in a hardtop or convertible, the CLK offers strong automatic gearboxes and well-built engines that do not break the bank to maintain. Notable applications include the CLK 320 and CLK 500, often seen as weekend cruisers or daily drivers for those wanting luxury without drama. Reliability shines through with minimal electronics to fail, making it a favorite for folks who want a classic Mercedes vibe. Stick to regular oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and keep an eye on those oil cooler seals to avoid leaks. Watch out for soft convertible tops on cabriolet models if you have got one. Those can wear out. And check crankshaft position sensors at higher miles. Mechanics love this car for its surprisingly low ownership costs compared to newer coupes. A real win for your wallet. To keep your Coupe Crusader fighting the good fight, inspect those seals and sensors during routine maintenance, and do not skimp on quality fluids. It is a car that rewards care, often lasting well into 6-figure mileage with a smooth ride and timeless style. Here's a cool tidbit. Many owners have turned these into budget luxury projects, proving you do not need deep pockets for a Mercedes that lasts. Speaking of lasting, have you ever wanted a compact Mercedes that is as tough as an old pickup? Next up is the compact champion that is built to battle the miles and come out on top. Best 3, Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204. Now, let us move to our third best pick, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, chassis code W204, spanning 2007 to 2014, and I am calling it the Compact Champion. You are getting a compact sedan that brought Mercedes back to form, with engines like the 1.8-liter inline 4 or 3.5-liter V6, pushing out 201 to 302 horsepower and 184 to 273 pound-feet of torque. This fighter can easily hit 200,000 miles or more when you treat it right, making it a solid bet for long-term driving. After a shaky prior generation, the W204 stepped up with solid build quality and simplified electronics that do not leave you stranded. It is a champ with reliable petrol and diesel engines, often paired with a straightforward 7G-tronic automatic that holds up under pressure. You will see it in models like the C300 or C350, popular as daily commuters or family cars across many roads. Reliability comes from fewer overcomplicated systems, a favorite among mechanics for being easier to work on than newer models. To keep your compact champion in the ring, stick to oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and inspect for rust, especially on earlier 2007 to 2009 models. Keep an eye out for occasional timing chain tensioner issues in petrol engines, listen for odd noises, and check window regulators for wear. This car is a winner for its balance of comfort and compact design, often racking up miles without the drama of flashier siblings. Owners across the states have praised it as one of the best-selling used Mercedes in Europe. Now a steal for you here. Maintaining it is simple. Tackle rust early with undercoating if you are in salty winter areas, and do not skip those fluid changes. Here is a neat fact. It is widely regarded as Mercedes' comeback in the compact class, proving luxury does not have to mean fragile. Now, if you are dreaming of a Mercedes that screams luxury and still sticks around for the long haul, you are in for a treat. Stay tuned, because next we have got the luxury lifer that is built to pamper you for years without breaking down. Best 2, Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221. Alright, let us cruise into our second best pick, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, chassis code W221, built from 2006 to 2013, and I have dubbed it the Luxury Lifer. You are stepping into flagship territory with this sedan, often equipped with a 5.5-liter V8 in the S550, delivering 382 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. This big boy can roll past 250,000 miles with proper care, making it a luxury ride you can count on for the long haul. Unlike some tech-heavy successors, the W221 is considered one of Mercedes' most reliable large sedans, especially with its VE8 and diesel options. You will find it shining in models like the S550, a go-to for executives and folks like you wanting a smooth, powerful daily driver. Reliability comes from well-engineered engines and surprisingly durable electronics for a car loaded with gadgets. To keep your luxury lifer living large, do not let it sit idle too long. Battery drain is a real issue. And service that Airmatic suspension regularly. Watch for Airmatic strut wear, which can cost a pretty penny if neglected, and keep an eye on battery health with frequent drives. This sedan offers an iconic luxury feel with a whisper-quiet cabin and power that makes every drive a pleasure. Many owners across the country have raved about its smooth ride, often using it for cross-state trips without a hiccup. Maintenance is key. Stick to oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, and check Airmatic components yearly to avoid sagging surprises. Here is a cool tidbit. It is often seen as the last of the old-school S-Class models, blending tech with durability, a favorite for VIP transport. Now, if you are itching for a Mercedes that is not just a luxury liner but a true endurance champ, you are going to love what is coming. Alright, let us hit the brakes for a quick recap of the Mercedes cars we have covered so far, from the worst money pits to the best long haulers you can trust. Starting with the worst, at number 3, we had the Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, the cheap charmer, from 2014 to 2019. You might have been drawn in by its slick looks and entry-level price, but with rattles, glitchy electronics, and recalls for fuel leaks, it is a gamble not worth taking past 80,000 miles. Then, at number 2, the Mercedes-Benz CLS 550, our stylish sorrow, from 2007 to 2011, broke hearts with its stunning design but crushed wallets with Airmatic suspension failures and engine seal leaks costing thousands. Topping the worst list at number 1, the Mercedes-Benz C230 compressor, the compressor catastrophe from 2003 to 2007, lured you with sporty vibes but slammed you with supercharger failures and timing chain disasters before even hitting 100,000 miles. Now let us shift to the winners, the Mercedes models you can drive forever with confidence. At number 4 on our best list, we rolled out the Mercedes-Benz CLK, the Coupe Crusader, from 2002 to 2009, a sleeper hit with simple, proven hardware that can cruise past 200,000 miles. It is a stylish ride with V6 or V8 power, perfect for weekend getaways or daily drives without the repair nightmares. Coming in at number 3, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204, our compact champion, spanning 2007 to 2014, proved itself with solid build and reliable engines, ready to tackle 200,000 miles or more. You have got a compact sedan that balances comfort and durability, a real contender for your garage. At number 2, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221, the luxury lifer, from 2006 to 2013, delivered flagship luxury with surprising reliability, hitting 250,000 miles when you keep up with maintenance. It is your go-to for a big, smooth ride that pampers without punishing your bank account. These 6 Mercedes, 3 to dodge and 3 to cherish, set the stage for what makes a car a keeper or a clunker. From the cheap charmer that will charm you right into debt to the luxury lifer that lives up to its name, you have got the intel to pick wisely. But we are not done yet, because I have saved the absolute best for last, a trio of E-Class models that redefine what it means to drive forever. Stick with me, because up next, we are starting with the reliable Roadster, kicking off a family of sedans that will carry you through hundreds of thousands of miles without breaking a sweat. Best 1A Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211. Let us dive into the first of our top E-Class trio, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211, built from 2002 to 2009, and I am calling it the reliable Roadster. You are getting a sedan with a rep for reliability, often packing a 3.5-liter V6 or 2.1-liter inline-4 diesel, pushing up to about 268 horsepower and 258 pound-feet on the 3.5-liter V6, with diesels commonly around 170 horsepower. This road warrior can hit 300,000 miles with the right care, a true testament to Mercedes engineering. It is reliable thanks to bulletproof diesel variants and a durable 7G-tronic automatic transmission when you keep it serviced. Seen in models like the E350, it is a favorite for long-distance drivers. To keep your reliable roadster rolling, stick to oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and monitor that air suspension on high-spec trims. Watch for early AdBlue sensor issues on diesels. Catch them quick to avoid bigger headaches. Here is a fun fact. It is often dubbed Mercedes' reputation car, a go-to for taxi fleets in Europe racking up insane miles. This sedan is a bridge to old-school durability, proving you can have luxury that lasts. Best 1B, Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212. Next up in our E-Class champions is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W212 from 2010 to 2016, nicknamed the Steady Stalwart. You have got a rock-solid sedan here, often with a 3.5-liter V6 in the E350, delivering 302 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This beast can push past 300,000 miles with proper upkeep, a real standout for reliability. It is a sweet spot of old-school Mercedes toughness and modern tech, with the M276 V6 avoiding earlier engine woes. Popular in the E350 trim, it is a common sight on American highways as a comfy daily driver. Keep your steady stalwart strong with basic oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and regular checks for electronic quirks. Watch for minor oil leaks and small electronic hiccups. Nothing major, but stay proactive. A cool tidbit, the 2014 to 2016 facelift models are especially praised for updated styling and infotainment without losing durability. This E-Class is your safe bet if you want a Mercedes that blends luxury with long-term dependability. It is proof you can have a modern ride that does not crumble under the weight of tech. Best one, C, Mercedes-Benz E-Class W213 2017 to present, Endurance Elite. Rounding out our top spot is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W213 from 2017 to now, and I am naming it the Endurance Elite. You are driving a top-tier sedan with options like a 3.0-liter inline-6 in the E450, offering 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This elite performer can reach 300,000 miles or more, a true long-distance champ for you. It is reliable thanks to bugs being ironed out post-launch, with durable drivetrains and refined tech integration. Seen in trims like the E300 and E450, it is a go-to for execs and families across the country. Keep your Endurance Elite in top shape with oil changes every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and transmission fluid swaps at 60,000. Watch for early MBUX infotainment quirks in 2017 models. Software updates usually fix them. Here's a neat fact. It is often hailed as the benchmark for executive sedans, balancing luxury with staying power. This E-Class proves Mercedes can deliver a modern ride you can trust for the long haul. It is the pinnacle of endurance, ready to carry you through years of reliable, refined driving. There you have it, the ultimate guide to the 3 worst and 4 best Mercedes cars to drive forever. You have got the intel to dodge the money pits like the cheap Charmer and embrace champs like the Endurance Elite. Remember, maintenance is your best friend. Stick to it and the right Mercedes will stick with you. Which one caught your eye? Drop your thoughts below and let us talk about your dream Benz. This is Tom from Seats and Wheels. Thanks for watching.